What's up, you guys? My Fit M3 bike check. Start off here at the top. ODI long neck grips with an exposure brake lever. ODI Barnes and grips. I cut off the flangers. Fit down low drop stem. Hollowed out Shadow Conspiracy stem bolts. Odyssey integrated headset in gold. Fit M3 stock frame, full chromoly, Fit Shiv forks. It's either Blade or Shiv, I don't know. Odyssey, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, Odyssey hazard light rim laced to a Animal Javelin hub. Primo Dirt Monster in the front and a V Monster in the back. Odyssey rim in the back laced to a Odyssey V3 hub. Odyssey A brake pads, Stolen Shackle chain, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. The seat is stock, I'm getting a new one. We got Federal seat post in gold. The sprocket is Fit. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's Fit. And thanks for watching, and that's my bike check.